Alright, so we got that cut open. So Snapdragon 695, 6 gigs of RAM, and it has expandable storage. So basically everything you'd want on a flagship device, you get on this $282 device. So paperwork and everything right here. Have your device right here. We'll get to that in 1 second. And then down here we have your charger. It is the 33 watt SuperVOOC charger, so it is a fast charger. And then we have your OnePlus USB-A to USB-C cable right here. So very nice. Go ahead and put this back in the box and take a look at the phone itself. So it's a very nice looking device for the price. It has some good weight to it. Doesn't feel like a super cheap device or anything like that. The back is plastic, but it is like a frosted plastic, so it's very nice. It is kind of like a reflective, kind of like two-tone blue almost, depending on how the light hits it. Take this sticker off. Right, left a little bit of a residue right there, but it comes right off. So we have it's actually a triple camera. There's one little camera right here, so triple camera setup right there. 64 megapixel and then two megapixels, I believe. Flash right there. We have a nice little like kind of silverish, not silver, but glossy section down here, and then everything else is frosted. And the IMEI is right there on there. So pretty nice camera up here on the top. You do have an in-display fingerprint sensor, and like I said, this is an OLED panel. It's got squared sides, which is nice. We have, looks like an antenna there, and actually that might be the SIM tray right there. It looks like the eject button is just off to the side. Power over on this side. No switch on this one because it's not a flagship OnePlus, so you don't get the mute switch and everything like that, but everything else is there. USB-C, headphone jack, and speaker right there. Not a stereo speaker, but again, $282 device, you're going to have to take some things off. And you're getting a really good panel and pretty good processor and pretty good RAM, so that is going to be a win for me. I will be doing a review on this later on after I have some time to play with it, so stay tuned for that. But this is the OnePlus Nord N20 5G. Again, it's exclusive to T-Mobile right now, but it will be coming to Amazon, Best Buy, and the OnePlus website here soon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.